Hey guys, it's at Harlem Girl Camps and Papa. We are headed to an overnight at Beaverpond State Park, which is not far from my house. This site is like platform sites. I've never done a platform site. So guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna even stay because I'm not sure and I don't want to struggle. But if it's too woodsy and there's no lake, if I don't see no lake, I don't know if I'm gonna stay. So we'll see. We'll meet you over there. See y'all later. Gotta check in, guys. See what happens. Oh.
From our office, it's the F2 by going over to the left over
This right here. Okay. Thank you.
Of course. Anything else?
That's it.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too. He said it's a short walk to the beach. Guys, we arrived at our campsite and we have something called a platform campsite. This is new for me. Like, I've never done this before, so I don't know. This is the fire pit. It looks like it's in good condition. We have a bear box. So it's clean. Everything looks nice and clean. I don't know. There's nothing to look at. You know, I love a campsite that has a lake view. But me and Papa's only gonna stay here overnight. Right, Pa? And yeah. We'll call y'all back and see what we're gonna do. All right? Papa likes the platform. Yeah, go ahead. You got the mic, B? Tell them why you so fresh. Yeah, do your little dance. I love this platform. You can have a performance out here. You know that, right? Like, even if you don't use your platform for the tent, you can you can have a platform for a show for a day. If you're creative, look, it's beautiful. 14 by 14, y'all. I'm putting y'all on. Look how pretty. Oh my God, y'all. Just look. Look at the lushness, baby. Look at that shit. Just look. Oh my God, yo. Just beautiful, y'all. Just beautiful. Oh. Honey, moving here is the best thing that ever happened to me. I'm telling you. It is. On both sides of me. Hi, baby. Hi. How you doing? You came to say hello to me? Hi. Don't go back in the water. Your feet gonna get wet all over again. Hello. You're so beautiful. Look at your spots. Oh my God, yo. You're beautiful. I don't know. You tell me what.
You know.
Huh? What? Look, get your ass out the water, nigga.
What? The beaches are closed. We got a boat like it's 5:45.
We'll be back. We're in the camera. Rinse your stuff off. Oh, excuse me, baby. Hey guys, so I'm out here in Beaverpond making some lamb chops and asparagus, little rosemary. Let's see. I pre-mixed this before I left the house. I don't have to put much oil on it because lamb is very oily. So I'm gonna just douse this all on the sides, because when it char up real good. Papa's over there, he has an attitude. He says camping is no longer for him. So we gotta get him what he needs, because I don't want another child of mine to feel uncomfortable. So we're gonna have to give him what he needs, but I'm gonna do what I need because I've been raising children all my life. And yeah, so I'm just gonna cook these up, put them on the open fire, and take it in the tent. This is a one-day camp, guys. One-day camp. So we only gonna be out here for the day. All right, I'll call y'all back when these are on the grill. All right, guys, we are finally done. Lamb chops, some asparagus and onions. I got peppers and green peppers, red peppers on mine. Papa just has asparagus on yours. How it taste, Papa?
Good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, and he got his. What you got? What you drinking? Ginger ale, and mommy is drinking Patron Margarita. Bon appetit! We call you back for s'mores. Oh my God, the s'mores was so mushy. I guess it's so hot today. I'm gonna put this back in the freezer. Oh my God, yo. Oh. How's the s'mores? Good.
this?
Yeah. Oh, we in the tent, y'all. No games tonight. No movies tonight. None of that shit tonight. We are exhausted, y'all. And we ain't even do nothing. We got to this camp at like 4:30. Went to the beach for like, what, an hour and 10 minutes, Papa? Huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Like an hour and 10 minutes. And then we came here. We made some lamb and some asparagus and onions. And now we're here. But I feel like I have done so much, yo. I'm so tired. So it's no movie for the tent tonight. We just going to sleep. And we got to get up mad early because I got all these appliances coming to my house tomorrow. So, it's that. You hear that?
Getting airstrike?
Right? It's an airstrike. That's what I'm saying. So anyway, we just gonna go to sleep and we're gonna get up real early. We're exhausted, right?
Mm-hmm.
This was like a bare bones camp, guys. The tent is no glamping. This is a straight camp. Like, it's no glamping in sight. We got the minimalist stuff here with us. All right? So we'll see you tomorrow. Love and light.